Good morning, all. My name is Shalon Powell, founder and CEO of the Billionaires League. Today is the UTC Stock Analyst Games. It's 9:33 a.m. presently, and we've used the Billionaires League in order to decide how we should structure our portfolio. Now, before I get to that, I just want to highlight here our mobile application, how simple it is to use as a research tool. As a user, you could simply view inside the Billionaires portfolio based on their performance. We have Warren Buffett in this instance. You could simply touch the pie chart, show you the different sectors he's investing. Okay. It also shows you his stock portfolio in real time. What you're seeing here is the different stocks owned by Warren Buffett. For instance, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, the list goes on. We also show the stake, the percentage of exposure in his portfolio. We also have Abigail Johnson on our list. We also have James Simmons. James Simmons is a billionaire as well. Personal net worth 20 billion US dollar. His sector, however, is structured in healthcare. Also, he has $11 billion invested in that healthcare sector. In addition to that, he's invested in finance and technology. So healthcare, finance, and tech. It's simple. Our mobile application gives you insight as to his background. In addition to that, we also show you his portfolio structure. For example, we have the main stocks here, as you could see, starting from billions all the way to millions. He's heavily exposed in the healthcare sector. Let's take a look at his largest stock holding here. It is called, he has shares in Vertex. He also has shares in Amgen. He has shares in Apple, Verizon, Align Technologies. He also has shares in Domino's Pizza. If we move from Simmons, highlight Abigail Johnson. She's the next billionaire on our list that we selected a few stocks from her portfolio. Good. Abigail Johnson. View portfolio. Abigail, on the other hand, is heavily exposed in the technology sector. She has 43% of her portfolio in tech. She also has 14% in finance, 14% in consumer cyclicals, healthcare, energy, consumer non-cyclicals, and industrials. That's her portfolio exposure. So we have a few billionaires in our list that we're going to mimic their portfolio. She has shares in Salesforce, Visa, Adobe, PayPal, and the list goes on. So what we did is to select a few from Abigail to Bill Gates, my personal analysis, Simmons, Stanley Druckenmiller, my personal analysis, and we've put in advance our portfolio exposure and the sectors. Okay, scroll down. The next step we did is to create a watch list. So the watch list, we've done this in advance. So today, the starting of the competition, all we have to do is execute accordingly. So as you can see, these same stocks here is in our portfolio holdings here that we use the Billionaires League as a research tool. We could also go to the investment banks and view inside the world's leading financial institution, starting with asset under management. Let's say we take a look at into JP Morgan's portfolio. The Billionaires League app, what it does is simplify the entire user investing journey. Finance, technology, energy, consumer cyclicals, healthcare. So those are the main sectors we should focus on when we're competing in the competition. As you could see here, the different types of stocks owned by JP Morgan. So all we're going to do is structure our portfolio to suit. So let's begin in the competition. So we're going to go ahead and put trade. The first stock symbol we're going to execute is called GSHD. TSHD. Symbol look up. Let's go to the simulator. Let's look at this here. Trade. GSHD. Here we go. Boosted insurance. Market buy, yes. The current stock price is $33.87. So we're going to invest 10% of our portfolio in that at 33.87. That gives us 2,952 shares. 2,952 shares. Yes, confirmed. Preview order. Submit order. Yes, estimated is 99,000. Submit order. Now let's go to portfolio. See if that trade has been executed. Yes, the trade current price is executed, and that's our first trade we initiated. It's 9:32. Let's take a look at second stock now. Trade. We're going to execute SFIX, Stitch Fix buy. Same concept. We're going to invest 100,000 divided by 43.77. That gives us 2,284 shares. Market. Preview order. Submit order. That's our second trade. Now, those are our two trades we've executed. We will do a second follow-up video of the remaining 8 stocks we will execute. Thank you.